So today I just got the rear bike rack for my Aventon Adventure bike and the SoCal color. So as you can see, it comes in a medium-sized box, wrapped pretty good, packaged, and this one's just gonna go on right here. So, I mean, it is made to size. Mine is a medium frame, so you do have to order it for the size that your bike is. So there's a small frame, a medium, and a large, and this is the regular size bike. Since it's not the step through, they kind of eliminate this, so you could go just step right through the bike. And how they size the racks for the step through is small to medium, and then medium to large, pretty much. So on the step through bike, I'm guessing you could order either a small rack or a large rack, and it'll fit the medium one, since they have it sized small to medium and medium to large when you check out on the options. So you could pick either or and it'll fit it. As where these, since they're a certain dimension, you have to order if it's small or if it's a medium or a large. Since they're a little bit more taller, I'm guessing right here on the seat, since a small it's a little bit shorter for leg length on people, and medium, be in the middle, which medium covers the majority of people, unless you're a really tall person. I think taller than a 6 foot, then it's recommended you get the large frame on the one that's not step through. So I do apologize, since I don't have a stand or anything. I will be filming it as I do it in my hand, which is not the best, but it'll work. So now that I have the bike rack on there, it's pretty straightforward. It comes almost pre-assembled. They give you some washers and some bolts here on the bike itself. It already has the bolts, so you just have to take these off right here, one on each side, and the ones that they provide you with just go in right here on a little hole that's right there. So we're gonna grab a bolt and a washer. Just like this. And we're gonna put it in right here. Like that. One on each side. You have to get another one right here. Get the bolt with the washer. Go to the other side and line it up and thread it in. Now, if you bought the bike and it didn't come with it, we'll just use the ones that they provided, the hex keys, to loosen up the ones on top. So we'll just loosen them up real quick. And that one already has a washer, so we just need to slide these and tighten them up right there. Now we gotta go to the other side as well. Loosen them up. Loosen them up. Bring the little arm, the support arm here, grab the bolt and push it back in. Make sure to leave everything loose too, so you can set it up where you want it. Right now it's still loose, So like that's max right there where it's able to go. Oh, it's stuck on the other side. Here, just hand tying them so you could do a fit where you're gonna wanna position your bike rack at, how far back or forward. For my case, I'm going to put a bike seat, so I'm gonna push it a little bit back further, but not too far. So then we'll just go right here, so you just slide it back. So once we have everything lined up and where we want it, so I want mine right there, that far back and everything, we can go ahead and tighten them all up. So we're gonna tighten this one right here. I'm gonna tighten the one right here too. Tighten this one. And now we'll go to the other side. Tighten this one down here. Tighten this one right here. Right there. That one good. And tighten this one. And this one. And we also need to tighten these. I just need to get looks like a 1/2 inch. Let me get a socket. So the one right here, it is 10 millimeter. So we'll just go ahead and tighten it up. Tighten that side up. Tighten this side up. Tighten it up good. And it is ready. Got a solid mount. Pretty solid, I would say. Pick up the bike from the back. Okay, that's how you put on the Aventon Aventure rear bike rack on. Pretty quick, pretty simple. Just put all the bolts in, leave everything loose, line it up where you want it, then go ahead and tighten them up, hand tight, make any last adjustments for where you want it, and tighten them down. And it looks like it's solid. Thank you for watching my video on how to install the bike rack, the rear bike rack on an Aventon Adventure. And I'll have another video since I'm gonna use this to mount a kid seat back here, and that will be on my channel, my YouTube channel, so you guys can check it out. It's the Max Caress. Not sure if I'm pronouncing that right, but I'll leave a link in the description so you guys could check that out. Alright, well, thank you again for watching my video, and hope you enjoy it. Leave some pointers. I know I might need to speak a little bit louder because you can't hear, or since I'm doing it one-handed, I know you'd probably like to see, you know, from far away what I'm doing and not so close and stuff like that. But I mean, unfortunately right now I can't record from far away, but I mean, it's pretty simple. How I mentioned throughout the video, there's just a threaded hole here. Just put the bolt in there. The bike already comes with the bolts here, so just unscrew them. This one has the washer. This one they send you a bolt with the washer, so just put it there. Let's go to the other side. Same thing, a threaded hole. Just put the bolt right through it with the washer. Leave it loose, so you can line it up. Leave these loose too, and then these two just loosen them up and then tighten back up. Leave it loose, and once you have it where you want it, then tighten it all up, and you should be set. All right, thank you.